Hi everyone and welcome to another math revision with Jov, and today we'll be looking at this workout question, and it says work out the difference 4 1/5 minus 2 2/3, and it wants the answer as a mixed number. So the question is effectively asking us to evaluate this 4 1/5 minus 2 2/3. Now what this actually means, I don't like this notation personally, because what this means is it means 4 plus a fifth, because it's 4 1/5, minus 2 plus 2/3, and this is now much easier to work with. Okay, so we can try and get rid of fractions, but in order to get rid of fractions, we're going to have to create some more fractions. So we're going to want to write everything in the sort of same denominator. So how can we do that? Well, we've got a 5 on the denominator here and a 3 here. So if you know sort of common multiples, then you will see that 15 is a nice number to use for these fractions. So what you want to do here is we want to take the 4, we want to multiply it by 15 and divide by 15. And for the fifth, you want to get it in 15ths. So we've got on the bottom, we've got 15, but here we've got 5. But 15 is 3 5ths. So instead of the 1, we're going to have 1 times 3. Okay? Now over here, we've got a 2, and we want to get that in 15th, so we need to do the same thing. 2 times 15 and divide by 15. And then for the 2/3, we've got 3s, and we want to get up to 15. We're going to have to multiply by 5. So we've got 2 times 5 divided by 15. And this is now much easier to work with. So first we're going to look at these multiplications. We get 4 times 15 is 60. Over 15, I'll write over 15 there. We've got 3 over 15, so that's 3 over 15. Over here we've got minus. I'm gonna take the brackets out now. I'm gonna get rid of the brackets, so we get minus 2 times 15 is 30, and then still divide by 15. And then we've got minus here. Watch for the double minus, or the minus cancelling with the plus. And here we've got 2 times 5, which is 10. Again, divide by 15. So we can actually ignore the 15 on the bottom now because we've got them all the same. So we can treat them all just like regular numbers. We've got 60 plus 3, minus 30, minus 10, all over 15. So this is 60 plus 3 is 63, minus 30 is 33, minus 10 is 23. So we get 23 divided by 15. But the question wants us to find it as a mixed number. So we want to say, okay, well, this is not quite 2 because we know that 2 is equal to 30 15ths. However, 1 is just 15 over 15 15ths. So 23 between 15 and 30. So we're going to have to use 1 and something because 2 and something is too much. So we get this is equal to 1 and 23 is 8 more than 15, so 8 15ths. And that is our final answer, and I hope that helps.